Alright, we're making big shmoney schmoves. Key probably goes up here. And by probably, I mean absolutely. Fucking God, I'm a genius. Oh, mistakes have been made. What the fuck? Hey, yo. Homie strapped to the table. No, 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 no. I don't like it. 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 I don't. Ah, bitch. Fuck. Come at me, you fucking bitch. Oh. Climb. Climb, Mono, climb. It's following me. Oh, I gotta fight it all over again? God damn it. Give me the hammer. You're fucking going down, you little bitch, what? Keep it there, bitch. He moved. He moved. Yeah, I know. That's exactly what I have to do, but I don't like it. Keep it there. No! No? Fuck you! No. And this cunt. And this one. No. Fuck, keep it there, you big old burly bitch. And I take my leave. My mom says not to talk to strangers. Aim the flashlight, Mono! Go, 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 go! Ah! Bitch! You fucking... You thought, you cock! Stay. Good boy. No. Piss off. No. Check this shit out, ready? Fucking bucket. Are you fucking with me right now, Mono? Come on, bud. Buckets. Get that shit. Hell yeah. Get me out of here, bro. Why are you knocking shit over? Chill out, chill out. I didn't mean to murder your fucking whatever. Psych, bitch, you thought. Come on, Mono, come on, Mono, come on. 6, hurry up, 6, hurry up. Shut up. Shut that bitch! Close it! Close it! Fucking pull the lever! Oh! Fuck! Six, really? You're really gonna warm your hands with the dead body? Come on. This game's super fucking pretty, bro. What just fell? Okay, we're moving. Those are bodies. Fuck the shoe.